All right, interest rates haven't been this low in years. So right now is the ideal time to qualify for a new mortgage or to refi. Brent Ivinson from Ideal Home Loans has everything you need to know. Brent, here we love to start it off with interest rates. Where are they right now, and why is now the time to take advantage of them?
30-year fixed rates right now, 2.625%. So the thing that you have to look at as a homeowner or a prospective home buyer is that rates are not going to stay at these levels forever. And if you want to take advantage and maximize your savings, that means taking advantage of rates where they're at right now. It took a lot of things to bring rates down, but the slightest bit of optimism, the slightest bit of improvement can send them back the other direction. So as a homeowner or as a prospective home buyer, you want to cash in while rates are at the lowest levels we have ever seen.
How does Ideal Home Loans actually help people manage their debt?
Yeah, we have this perfect scenario right now in Colorado for homeowners. We've had home values going up over the last 3 or 4 years. So you've got equity. You can put that equity to work. Now, you couple that with record low rates, and this is a recipe to eliminate your debt. You can not only get rid of your credit card debt, we're going to show you how to pay your house off more quickly. We're also going to show you how to put money in your savings account each and every month. So you literally can win on all three fronts. And it's really as if the stars have aligned for those who want to take care of debt and are current homeowners.
Brent, tell me how you guys are actually helping your customers right now.
Yeah, we can do this a lot of different ways. If you want to do this entire process completely touchlessly, we can accommodate that for you as a client of ours. Now, the great thing is we invested very heavily in a digital technology platform several years back, and that has paid dividends for us because we're all operating from home just as if we were in the office. So on the consumer end of things and on the client side of things, you won't notice any difference, but we certainly can get this all done touchlessly and get it done electronically through our digital platform that is completely secure and keeps your information secure and you safe at home if you choose to do so.
You work so well with your customers. What would I expect if I were to call right now?
Yeah, I think the thing that a lot of people are really surprised by is the first question that we ask is, what is it you're trying to accomplish? So many professionals in the lending space dive right into telling you what you ought to be doing, what loan program you should be in, what your payment ought to be, what your interest rate. That doesn't matter. What really matters is what your short-term and your long-term goals are. And then we go to work to truly customize a solution that is a mortgage for you and your family that's unique to your individual situation. So not only does it work now, but it works down the line as well.
Well, you have so many happy customers, and we're going to hear from one right now.
I was referred to Ideal Home Loans and I did a new purchase with them, and I'm so glad that I was referred to them because they made the loan process so easy with their online platform. I would absolutely go with Ideal Home Loans again and would refer them to all my friends and family.
Now, a lot of people are getting shorter term mortgages. Tell us how those work and really what are some of the advantages of them?
Well, I think the big misnomer out there for a lot of people, Gina, is the fact that if they go to a shorter term mortgage, like say they go from a 30 to a 15, that their payment's going to double. And that's actually not the case. And the reason being, it's because of the interest rates that are charged on these shorter term mortgages. Your shorter term loans have lower interest rates. Right now, 15-year fixed rates are at 2.25%. So this is a great opportunity for people to get out of that 30-year loan, get into a 15. You're going to save yourself six figures in payments and interest. And here's the best part right now because of how low rates are. People are finding they're not spending a whole lot more on their 15-year mortgage than they were on their 30, but yet they've eliminated years of payments. This is a six-figure savings in payments and interest.
Unbelievable. Now, can viewers refinance, though, without starting over on a whole new home loan?
Yeah, the last time we saw record low rates was in 2016. And as you know, we've been serving Colorado since 2001. So we had a number of our own clients at that period of time wanting to take advantage of rates. But the thing we kept hearing was, yeah, I know the interest rate's better, the payment's lower, but I don't want to start over on my home loan. I don't want to reset the clock. And so that's where our custom term mortgage came to be. Gone are the days where we have to borrow money like our parents did. You can actually customize the term of your loan. So you get the benefit of low interest rates and a lower payment, but you still can pay your house off as scheduled originally and take that progress from your old loan onto your new refinance and still get your house paid off in the time that you originally had planned to.
Now, Brent, some people think that if the rates don't drop more than a point, it's really not worth refinancing, but you say that's not true.
Yeah, that's absolutely not the case. We are dealing with average loan sizes of $3, $4, $5, $600,000 right now. The median home price in Denver is north of $500,000 at this point. So a lot of people try and follow that rule of thumb and you're missing out. The thing I would tell you is that if you have an interest rate that begins with a 3 or higher on your current home loan, call us. Chances are we can save you significantly each and every month by cashing in on these record low rates.
Ooh, I like that. Now, you're local, you're not a broker. Why is this important?
This is important just because of ease and speed and cost. Being a direct lender, we eliminate the middleman. So that means lower fees, lower interest rates. That translates into lower monthly payments. The other thing, too, is that you hear all these nightmare stories about how terrible the home loan process was. That's more about who you use than the process itself. Since we are a direct lender, we can cut through a lot of the red tape, and we can make this process fast, simple, safe, and easy for all of our clients.
All right, Brent, thank you so much. Start saving and manage debt with these low interest rates. 303-867-7000. Schedule your free consultation. Your first new payment not due until December. Learn more online at idealhomeloans.com. They paid for today's